If you want to know how to fix TikTok effects not working problem, you've come to the right place. So let's open our TikTok app and let's say that we want to use some effects, for example. And if we are clicking on them, we receive the message that we cannot use them or they do not work. So how can we fix it? Firstly, close the app and then just go to App Store or Google Play. It depends on your mobile phone. So here input the TikTok. So basically we need to search for the official app page, and here make sure that you have the open button instead of update. If you have the update, please click on it and make sure that the latest version was downloaded. So probably it will fix your problem. At the same time, it will be the easiest way of how can you do this. But if it doesn't work, we have the another solution. So how can we do this? We just simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner. And then just click on three lines in the right top corner right up here. Then just click on settings and privacy. Scroll down to find support and about area right up here. And then just click on report a problem. So after that, we need to find the necessary topic as for us. So here I suggest you to click on videos and sounds. Then just click on editing videos or beauty filters, effects or templates. So let's click on beauty filters, effects and templates. And then we need to click on using filters or effects. So here you can find some suggestions. How can you try to fix this problem? Probably you have to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear cache or do some other stuff. But if it didn't help, follow the next step. Click on no here, then just click on need more help. So after that, on this page here, we need to explain our problem. We need to write something like this: effects don't work for me, help. Also, we can add some screenshots or videos and then just click on submit. And in a few minutes, the TikTok support team will receive our message and probably they will help us. They will fix it from themselves. So we don't even have to do something, but sometimes the effects are not supported on some type of devices. So probably you have a device like this, so you can't fix this problem. So these are the ways of how can we fix this problem with TikTok effects. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.